How to disable the active now green dot on Facebook. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up your Messenger in your device and make sure that your application is updated. After that, log into your account, and if you see active now or green dot in your Facebook profile, and if you like to disable that, once you land in this chat inbox space, navigate to three horizontal line icon from the top left corner. Now from this menu bar, tap on settings icon next to your profile name. Once you land on your profile page, there is an option as active status under dark mode. Tap on that. Here, if a toggle is turned on, then you will have green dot or active status in your Facebook account as well as your Messenger. So simply turn off that toggle and you can customize their time duration either for 1 hour, for 8 hours, or until 8 p.m. or until I change it. So simply tap on pause, and with that, your active status will get turned off in both Facebook and your Messenger. So that's how you disable active status or green dot in Facebook. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching till the end, and I will see you on next video.